Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we'll show you how to create an animated GIF using Photoshop. Step 1. Open Photoshop and create a new document. Step 2. Create a new layer and draw a graphic you want using a tools. Step 3. Duplicate and create another layer, then draw next layer. Step 4. Create multiple layers to represent your animation. Step 5. Go to Window panel and go to Timeline. Step 6. On Timeline panel, click Create Frame Animations, then on Menu click Make Frames from Layers. Step 7. Click Play button on Timeline and check the animation. Step 8. Go to File, Export, Save for Web, choose GIF as the file format. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips on cyber learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.